Hi, I'm Keith at NOEL Automotive in West Branch, Iowa. If you're passionate about classic car restorations, I got an opportunity for you. At NOEL Automotive, we specialize in Mopar-correct restorations. Our team is dedicated to bringing classic muscle cars back to their original glory, ensuring every detail aligns with factory specifications. Our reputation is built on quality and authenticity. Many of our clients return with new projects and become more like family than clients. We're currently looking to add experienced body shop technicians and painters to our team. If you have a keen eye for detail and a passion for classic cars, we'd love to hear from you. West Branch is a charming town with a rich history, including being the birthplace of President Herbert Hoover. We are just 10 miles east of Iowa City, offering the tranquility of a small town life with easy access to the amenities of a larger city. Whether you're into outdoor activities, arts, or education, the area has something for everybody. If you're ready to work on some of the most iconic muscle cars in automotive history and be a part of my team, go to noelautomotive.org, go to the contact page, and tell me why I should hire you.